Yo, 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 yo. Is going on, everybody? Let's see. Let's get into it. Starting off with US 30. It's on a retrace right now, right? Basically what we were anticipating yesterday. We are in a beautiful downtrend, as you can see. So what I think is going to happen with US 30, very, very simple. I think price is going to retrace, continue to sell off towards the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. This is US 30 on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, US 30 1 hour time frame. So for me, it's pretty much simple to what's been going on here. If I was to quickly jump maybe into the 2H, we can clearly see that lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We're just creating a lower high for price to continue to push towards the downside if we are bearish. Keyword if. Obviously, if we are not bearish, then we have to change our bias accordingly. So when will I change my bias to buys? Very simple. If price breaks and closes above this area, I'm no longer looking for buys. I'm no longer looking for sells. I'm looking only for buys. Nothing more, nothing less. Simple as that. Let's quickly jump over to Forex Factory for a moment. We actually just had news today. We actually just had news. We had CPI. We actually just had CPI for GBP, so we're going to also take a look at that also and see how that went. So CPI, as you can see, this is what we're seeing right now. It came out as expected, but it was good. So we can expect price to do what it has to do. Let's just say that. We can expect price to do what it has to do. So we have this. Yeah, we can expect price to do what it has to do and what it needs to do. So let's come back to this. So yeah, US 30 is bullish at the moment, but we just have to wait and see. Literally, we just have to wait and see. So let's jump into GJ for a moment, yeah? Let's go into an empty chart. One H. So as you can see, we have been bullish on this. Bullish, bullish, bullish. All we did was just make a new higher high. That's it. We just made a new higher high for price to make a higher low. So if you guys remember, and if you guys were on the stream yesterday, I was talking to you guys about the window. So let me show you what that window is. Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Okay. So we're going to mark out a couple things here. Let's go into the 5-minute time frame. So here we have the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Just going to mark out Asia's high, which is over here. Asia's high. Let me mark out Asia's low. How low can you go? Asia's low. Next up, our window. So our window is going to go from 7 a.m. We call this the London window. 7 until 11. So during this window, we're just going to be looking for setups. This is our London session window. At the same time, we can mark out a few more things. We can mark out our previous day high, which is all the way up here. We can also mark out Tuesday's low. So this is our previous day low. Over here. And really and truly speaking, I think the previous day low is where we're going to find our entries for today. So that's a previous day high, previous day low. So now I'm looking for a setup. Yeah, I'm scoping the charts, I'm searching, I'm trying to find something. So I'm on the 15-minute time frame now. So on the 15-minute time frame, here's what I'm looking at. We were in a bit of a downtrend. This is our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We broke above. So now we have a change of character. So I think price might actually maybe come back and retest previous day low from yesterday. Stop losses just slightly below Asia's low, around 12 pips. And take profit. Let's go for Asia's high. This is a nice 1:2 5-minute time frame. Nice 1:2 trade right here. What's going on, fellas? What is going on? So yes, I have until maybe 10. So right now it's 8. So I'm waiting 2 hours for this type of setup to come to life. So I am bullish from now until 10ish. So from now until 10 o'clock, I am bullish on GJ. I'm bullish on GJ from now until roughly 10 o'clock in the morning. Conversation got boring. Yeah. You said you're going to bed soon, so I sneak up to your bedroom. So now we're getting that bear action. So like I said, US 30, I believe is bullish for now, but I think we're going to sell off at some point. So just have to bear with me on that one. So let's take a look at XAUUSD. Let's go to the 1H time frame. So like I told you guys yesterday, it's all obvious where gold is going to sell to. Stevie Wonder can see where it's going. You can see where it's going. I can see where it's going. They can see where it's going. Who's they that I'm speaking about? They is whoever you want it to be. Yeah. They is whoever you want it to be. They can see where it's going. So yes, so just recapping on yesterday, we said this during Asia session, right? So price is most likely going to sell all the way here. Why? Very simple. We came here, we shot up. We came back down, we shot up again. We hit here, we resisted, we hit it again, we resisted, we hit it one more time, we sold. Guess where we sold to? Back to here. Guess where we bought to? Up to here. Guess where we're selling to? Down here. It's just a game. It's just a game right now. You think this is a game? Because it is a game. Yeah? So yeah, that's that. It's safe to say gold is just in a range. In my opinion, it's just ranging. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's going sideways. And if you understand the nature and nurture of the market, that's how it moves. Price will move in a downtrend, uptrend, or a sideways pattern. As you can see, let me just give you some free knowledge here. Yeah? I'll give you some free sense, some free knowledge, right? Over here, price is clearly, we start off with this actually. Price will move in three directions only. It'll move in an uptrend. Yeah? Uptrend. Boom. The second direction it'll move in is the opposite, a downtrend. And then the last direction it'll move in is a range, so sideways. And obviously when it's in a range, it is moving like up and down, but it's not moving in a trajectory angle going up. It's moving like this. Clear example, up, down, side. Yeah? So guess what happens here? Now it's moving up. After this upward move, it went to the side. Boom. And after this sideways movement, well, we can expect one of two things to happen next based on how it's moving, guys. It can either move in a downtrend or it can either move uptrend. You tell me. That's how the market moves. Up, down, side, up, down, side, up, down, side. It doesn't have to be in that order. It can be down, side, up, side, down, up, down, side, left, right. All right. I have a question. When you take a trade and it goes against you, how do you control your emotions? Like, this question shouldn't be a question if I was to be completely honest, yeah? People take trades thinking every trade is going to play out. Then when the trade doesn't play out, you get emotional. Like, it doesn't make sense. Is what I'm trying to tell you, is what I'm trying to explain making sense? Like, you know what you're doing. The second you hit buy or sell, You shouldn't have any emotions attached. That's why you have a stop loss. The stop loss is there when the trade isn't going against, like it's not going with you. So I just can't wrap my head around why this is always a common question. It's like part of the game. And once you understand it's part of the game, it is what it is. Does that make sense? Like, not every trade you take is going to be in your favor. The minute you hit buy or the minute you hit sell, you're already taking that risk. You're risking 1:2. You're risking, let's just say, $100 to get $200 back. The minute you have pressed buy or sell, that money no longer belongs to you. It belongs to the market until you get it back. So, if you are emotional, I've got some harsh reality check for you. This game will never be for you. If you're actually so emotional, yeah, it's not happening. That's just me being straight up. For example, let's just say this right here, this setup right here that I literally just shared about, what, 20 minutes ago. Yeah, we're now at entry. Yeah, obviously when price is now at entry, you're so happy. But look, either way, my emotions will be the exact same if price is here. If price decides to sell, I have my stop loss for a reason. Why am I getting emotional? I shouldn't. I know what I'm doing. In terms of, I know that the second I enter this trade, this is the only outcome. Like, it can only be yeah, that's the only way I can explain it. There can only be one of two outcomes. It's either you win or you lose. But you already lost the second you put your money in. So let's just say I have a 10K account, yeah? And I'm risking 1% to get 2.5 back. I'm risking $100. The second I'm pressing buy, that $100 is risked. It's gone. And we just have to let the market do its thing. If you cannot allow the market to do its thing and you're checking every second, you're being emotional, man. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I remember those horizontal lines from 2 years ago. Now they flipped, man. 2 years ago was a long time. A lot has changed, my brother or sister. Is the Telegram group still there? Telegram group is there, but where it's really at is Discord. Hit the link in my on my YouTube and just check me out on Discord instead. The Telegram is, it's there, but it's not at the same time. So yeah, that's that. US 30, I'm expecting sells. GJ, we're expecting buys. Gold, we could be expecting some sells on gold. So that is the latest update for you guys for today. We are officially finished streaming for the week. So like I said, if you want to keep up, and have the latest updates with gold and every other trade that we're taking, giveaways and stuff like that, follow me on Instagram, 5p_trading_. And that's the number 5, not the spelling 5. So 5p_trading_, if you want to keep up with everything chart related and stuff like that. Other than that, my people, thank you so much for joining this early morning stream. It's been blessed. It's been real. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Make sure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't blow those accounts, yeah? Thank you so much. See you on the flip side.